Welcome to a quick comparison of D5 Render and SketchUp. Today we'll break down what each software does, compare their strengths, and help you decide which is best for your needs. Let's dive in. First up, we have D5 Render. This is a real-time rendering software designed for architectural visualization. It uses ray tracing technology to produce stunning, photorealistic images and animations. D5 integrates seamlessly with modeling tools like SketchUp, offering a massive asset library, real-time lighting adjustments, and AI-powered features like texture creation. It's user-friendly with fast rendering speeds, but it's focused solely on visualization, not modeling. Next up, we have SketchUp. It's a 3D modeling software known for its intuitive interface, perfect for architects, designers, and hobbyists. SketchUp excels at creating detailed 3D models quickly, with tools for building structures, furniture, and landscapes. Its strength lies in ease of use, a vast 3D warehouse for pre-made models, and compatibility with plugins for rendering and animation. However, its built-in rendering is basic, often requiring external tools for photorealistic visuals. So, how do they stack up? SketchUp is your go-to for 3D modeling, great for designing and iterating concepts. D5 Render shines in visualization, turning models into lifelike renders with ease. SketchUp's rendering is limited with plugins, while D5's real-time rendering is top tier. D5's free version is robust, but SketchUp's free tier is web-based and less powerful. For solo designers or beginners, SketchUp's simplicity is ideal. For pros needing high-quality renders, D5 is the winner. In short, use SketchUp for modeling and D5 Render for photorealistic visuals. They're best together in a workflow, so check out our comparison chart below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.